Hello my Stitchlings, and welcome back for another tutorial. I am here to show you the half double crochet, which is my favorite stitch. Grab your yarn and your hook. Okay Stitchlings, I'm really excited. This is my favorite stitch for when I'm working on like anything that's not a plushie. My favorite stitch. And the reason that this is my favorite stitch is because it can give you some height to your project. So your project will work up faster, but it doesn't leave as many gaps as other stitches like double and triple crochet. So I'm just going to chain 10 to get myself started. And with a half double crochet, your turning chain is going to be 2. So single crochet, we learned it was 1. Half double crochet, you're going to want to chain 2. So I have my 10 chains. Now I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2. And since I have 2 turning chains now, that means I need to work into the 3rd stitch away from my hook. Now before you insert your hook, you need to yarn over. So yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd stitch away from your hook, yarn over again, and pull up a loop. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And remember, mark your first stitch of any row. Again, I can see this stitch is worked, so let's do the next one. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Practice with me. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Keep working your way across. Now, like I said, this is taller than a single crochet. So if you're wanting to make a project more quickly, this is a good stitch to go to. And it won't be as gappy as other stitches. I love pretty much every crochet stitch, but for certain things like hats that I don't want to have any holes in really, this is a stitch that I like to do because it won't take me as long as single crochet, but I also know that the stitches will be tight. I'm actually going to be releasing a beanie pattern soon. It'll be free and I will do a tutorial on here of my favorite beanie that I like to make, which is a half double crochet, but in the back loops only. Now, I'm to the end of my row, so I need to chain 2 for half double crochet. Turn my work, yarn over. Now remember, you have 2 turning chains, and now you're working into, similar to single crochet, there's these 2 parallel lines again. Insert your hook between them, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And again, I would mark this stitch because it's the first one of my next row. And that's the half double crochet.